In this video, we are swapping out this original EJ205 in this 2004 Subaru WRX, and we are replacing it with a version 7 EJ207, and we're going to be using the 207 ECU, so we got a little bit of wiring to do, along with we're going to do some mods at the same time, injectors, bigger turbo, and a couple other little things. So first step, we are going to get this motor out and begin swapping over the parts. Alright, we're into the 207, getting it ready to put in. We're going to do a quick little leaker down test and make sure it's a good motor before we go ahead with it. Crank that.
Okay,
there she goes.
Get into some compression.
Ooh.
Well, that's good.
Yep, that's a good one. Alright, on to the next one. Alright, now we're into cylinder 2. That was cylinder 4 we just did. There we go. Let's see some numbers.
Alright.
Good numbers, lots of numbers.
Let's turn that back down to 100.
Yep,
Nice.
that's good numbers. Alright, on to the other side. Alright, now we are in cylinder 1.
Ready?
Yep. Oh, that's good juice.
Nice.
Okay. Alright, now into cylinder 3. Let's see what we got. Oh, decent juice.
Nice.
Good juice. Alright. Well, good leak down test, so we will resume here. Now at the black driver side engine plug, this, it's hard to see here. So that row of wires, the top 4 there, will move up into those 4 other holes, pin by pin. So you depin them, pull out the little grommets, push the grommets back into the bottom holes so that you don't let water in there. And that's pretty much it. Before popping the pins out, you'll have to remove that little lock tray. And that's it for the driver's side. Alright, so there we are with the wires all switched up one spot. The plugs from the top, like the water plugs, put into the row that the wires came from. Then our lock tray back in, and we are done on the driver's side. So tape this back up, get your loom back on as well, and over to the passenger side. Alright, now we are into the passenger side engine plug. So we have used a 4-core shielded wire for this. 18 gauge should be appropriate. So we've added in that black wire, red wire, green wire, white wire, and they will correspond going to the ECU inside. Originally these spots are empty, so you're gonna have to get the pins. You can get them from iWire and a couple other places to crimp onto your wires, or go the easy route and just use the iWire kit, which I highly recommend. So now we're gonna loom this up so it looks nice, put this guy back in place, and move on to the ECU. So there we are, we've got the version 7 207 ECU in. Those are our added in wires, and then we've also had to rearrange some wires in here to correspond with the driver side plug that we also changed. So now we put the covers back on, and that is it. Here we are back with the 207. We got the valve covers off to replace the gaskets while we're here. We got the 1000cc injectors in there. Got this big turbo. It's a Blausch. It's big. We got the header on it. A couple of the other parts from the other engine on it. And we are moving forward, getting ready to drop her in. Over here at the bench, I am working on getting a little wideband bung put in the downpipe. I'm currently out of drill battery. I did not drill the entire hole with this step bit. I just used a small bit and worked my way up till I maxed out my set. Then I'm going to get this guy big enough to fit the tuning wideband sensor in. But right now I'm just waiting.
Okay, now before we put the engine in, I've decided it's probably easier to make all of the connections for the air oil separator while the engine's on a stand. So we got this fancy IAG air oil separator. I'm following all 117 steps to installing it, getting the engine connections done, and then we can throw a rear main seal, throw the flywheel and the clutch on, and she's ready to go back in.
Here we are, ready to install the motor. So we got it nice and level to slide right on in there. Get her all bolted up and see how this puppy runs. Alrighty, we have got the motor in, and the spaghetti monster is all pre-ran, pre-attached. We just got to put the actual canister over there and start to button everything up.